idol, and dedicated teachers, loving parents, fellow completers, and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, great morning. Thank you for being with us today. We all deserve to celebrate and be proud of ourselves. Yes, I am pretty sure that like me, you are also excited to reach this milestone in our lives. It was impossible, but we did it through the guidance and support of our very indefatigable advisor, Ma'am Susan, and to our parents as well. We are happy for this first magical achievement in our lives.